Hey guys, it's Ethan. I'm making a second streaming test video today because the one yesterday I watched it back and the sound is really quiet. I noticed that. So I think I fixed it with different settings in OBS. The only other issue I noticed were random drops in quality in the video. That's not OBS, that's not the capture card. When I download the video, or like when I hit stop recording and watch the video back on my computer, it doesn't have those random quality drops. So I don't know what that is. I think it's either YouTube, the upload has an issue, something with my computer, or the Wi-Fi, because I have really shitty Wi-Fi. It's the best I can get, but it's still really bad. So hopefully I fix the sound though. I just turned the gain up a lot, so hopefully it's not too loud, but I think it's picking me up better because I can't make the mic be like super close to me. But anyways, this is going to be a short video and I'm just going to get into it. I'm going to drop that and the sound and just going to do some Hollow Knight. I don't really want this to be longer than 5 minutes, honestly. And we're at 1 minute and 37 seconds. Or something around there. Let's just get into it. I got this game a few days ago, actually. I've never played it before. But I got it because I wanted something that would download quick while I was downloading Oblivion, so I had something to play. And I was like, I'm not sure if I'd like it, and I ended up loving it. It's very, very fun. So I'm kind of addicted to it now. I would love to play this on stream tomorrow, but that's besides the point. I don't even know if I'm like good at this game, honestly. I don't think I am. I don't know if I play it right. Like, I've never seen someone else play it, so I don't know what. It's a very rare situation where I'm actually going in blind. Because I've said before that I really like the Dark Souls series. But I wasn't good at Dark Souls when I first tried to play it years ago, and I ended up having to watch videos to learn how to get good. But with this, I've just kind of been learning as I play, which I also like. Oh man. That dude always jumps off. I don't plan on going too far here. Probably just in here. Take this guy out. Okay. Let's see where we're at. 4 minutes. Alright, perfect. And quit out of that. So hopefully the sound is all balanced and the game's loud enough, but not louder than my voice. That's what I'm hoping. And let's see if I can do this. Alright. I'm just going to go through quickly. These are the games that I can play tomorrow. So any suggestions from these are already downloaded. Other than that, here's what's not downloaded. Some of these would take too long to install, but Other ones like Resident Evil 4, I could probably get that installed. But yeah, if any of those games look interesting, let me know in the comments what you think I should play tomorrow for the stream. I plan on streaming for most of the day, honestly. Whenever I start, I'll probably just do it from that point until the end of the day. The only other thing with that is I got my pizza. Pizza is secured. And I also went to Walmart and got a shit ton of food that I'm going to also eat throughout the day. So it's going to be a feast. I'm excited, but worried that I might get sick because that's how much food I got. And it's been a long time since I've eaten anywhere near that amount of food, if I ever have. But anyways, that's the video. I'm going to upload this and see if I can learn more about the quality stuff. Peace.